This is exactly how I was able to fix Heartopia, that it was not letting me log in. So basically what I had to do firstly is to go to my Heartopia app right here. And you can do so both on your mobile and PC, by the way. So what you have to do firstly is to click on repairs in the top right corner and then confirm. Afterwards, you need to click on global here and then change server and change it to the one that is closest to you, of course. So I just use global, but you should use, for example, if you're in the America region, use this, or Asia right here as an example, and then click on confirm. Another thing that's also very good to do is to just close the Heartopia app and then go to the App Store if you have an iPhone, or Google Play Store if you have an Android. And in here where it says search, just search for Heartopia. So click on Heartopia app here, as you can see, and then click on the app here. And where it says the blue button here, where it says open, right? If it says update for you, make sure to click on that update button to be able to get the absolute most up-to-date version for Heartopia. And if it still isn't working for you after you're done all of those things right there, well, then you might actually have forgotten basically your account details. You can try to create a new account with Google as an example, and hopefully you will be able to fix it from there.